Hello, I'm Taylor Burks, and I'm going to introduce my hybrid implementing blended learning course. My course will be open to secondary teachers, grades 6 through 8, to teachers with teachers in Ailey ISD. I will be using the Schoology learning platform, which was adopted by the district 5 to 6 years ago. In this video, I will be introducing my getting started page and my modules 1 and 2. The Getting Started page opens in July 2022. It will have a welcome letter by the facilitator, which is me, and my contact information. It also has a note from the facilitator. Which just gives a little more detail about the blended learning PD and what is expected within this course. I have a page about the T-test overview. The T-test overview is a formative feedback system for educators to improve their teaching practice. So T-test is really important at Ailey ISD. So I have implemented this page so that teachers will learn which portions of their T-test they will improve by taking this PD. Next, I have a course expectation page, which lists all the expectations for this Schoology course. It talks about the 4 modules in the Wrap It Up section. It also talks about how to complete assignments and what grade they need in this course to receive credit. It talks about not working on this PD during workday hours and how many hours they will receive if they complete and meet the minimum expectations. Next is the course calendar. The course calendar lists all of the activities or what is expected from July 2022 through May of 2023. And then I have a syllabus. The syllabus is my 3-column model in my Big Hairy Audacious Goal that I developed from EDLD 5313. It listed all of my learning goals and the learning activities and the assessment activities that will be that will be used for each of my modules. In the Getting Starting page, you also have the introductions that the participants will use. It just asks for the participants' names, their hobbies, their current position in Ailey ISD, and their current level with technology. I also have a student facility room or faculty room where the participants can ask questions or post any comments or concerns. When you click on materials, it will bring you back up to the outline of the course, and it have the folders for each of the modules. Each module is 2 months long, just to give the participant time to learn and implement the activities into their classrooms. Module 1 focuses on a theme goal from the 3-column model. The first module is the foundational skills and human dimension/caring. Each activity is going to be dealing with foundational skills or caring skills for the learner. So in this particular module, we're focusing on what is blending learning and what are different learning styles of the learners. The assessment also correlates with the theme of the module. In each module, there are both teacher and student-led activities. The teacher-led activities are the face-to-face meetings that will be happening bi-monthly. When you click on the folder, you will see the agenda for that particular day or any links or articles that we would use for this course. During the face-to-face models, the teachers or facilitators are acting as coaches and mentors to the participants in this PD. We will be the expertise for our participants, so we have to model what is expected for the implementing of a blended learning classroom. All of the student-led activities comes from watching the videos that are in each of the folders for the modules. So when you click on a folder, you come up to a page of resources from YouTube, mostly videos. Some will be articles. And then after the participants listen or read the resources, then they will participate in a discussion post with their classmates. Each of the discussion posts are due on a Sunday by 11:59 p.m. In some modules and some folders, you have learning activities where the participants will learn by reading or listening to the resources, and then they will participate or apply the learning into their classrooms. So in module number 1, they're applying the learning styles in the classroom by assessing their students on their learning styles and multiple intelligence. After they have completed the assignment, they will participate in a learning discussion with their classmates. Lastly, the theme assessment, they will be creating a list of activities for each of the learning styles and multiple intelligence. Schoology syncs with Google Docs and Google Slides really well. So they will participate or they will be able to blend in or submit their assignments through Google. After completing module number 1, they will move on to module number 2, which is for the next 2 months, November, December. This module focuses on learning how to learn, which is the theme. And we will be focusing on building an effective environment, learning environment. Again, the learning activities are watching YouTube videos and participating in collaborative discussions. And then we will do an assessment where the learner will create a plan of action for building that independent learner. The teacher-led instructions, again, will be on the face-to-face meeting where the agenda is listed here. The teacher will lead this challenging learner, and how does it look? This would then help the participants with the facilitating the learning environment. After they watch the teacher, the facilitator model, then they will be able to learn more about it during this particular student activity and discussion post. From there, the participant will complete assessment number 2. And in assessment number 2, they will create a 3 to 5 detailed action plan they will use to build the ideal independent learner using the COVA approach. So again, as the facilitator of this course, and other special teachers that will be working with me, we will act as coaches and mentors throughout the PD. We will have some expertise within the blended learning process to give quality feedback and feed forward to our participants. The course is developed to be a blended course with 70% being asynchronous and 30% being synchronous work. This allows the participants to ask and experience real life questions and blended learning activities during the face-to-face meetings. As the facilitator, I am introducing this course to secondary teachers in the district and building principals. We are mostly STEM teachers, so we want to be very strong in the technology aspect of STEM and make sure that we are learning and knowing our technology skills in order to build a strong blended learning environment for our students. If we can do this, it's going to create an engaging and a supportive learning community for work and school. In order to take this PD, participants must have reliable devices and Wi-Fi connection. Being that we are in A-Leaf is really known for making sure their teachers are taken care of. At this moment, A-Leaf have the capability of giving teachers or loaning teachers a working computer and Wi-Fi connection. But if we still have problems with the technology issue, we'll make sure that we do whatever we need to do to make sure our learners have what they need to be successful in this PD course. This is my PD. It's the rough draft. I'm looking forward to some feedback and feed forward tips. Thank you so much.